Makosini, this is the power of healing with Utabi Ungowe Ketelo. Buhlekazi. It's been long since I recorded a video. But first and foremost, ngifuna ukusho lokhu, I am so heartbroken this morning. Ngendaba ka bhuti wethu, Bhuti Mxolisi Samora. Yo, I'm heartbroken because umuntu ngesinye isikhathi uyayibona into ayiphiwe. And unfortunately akusiyithi sonke sibona into umuntu ayiphiwe bese siyayijabulela. Yabona? Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu, I don't wanna lie. But ke may his soul rest in eternal peace. Yeah, no, kubuhlungu. I actually meant to go ngiyodla khona. Yeah, but ke yeah, kunzima. I wanna touch on something ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama adopted names, spiritual adopted names, and bese ngikhuluma ngama spiritual adoption. I had a few weeks ago an encounter yomuntu who is spiritually adopted by umamkhulu wakhe. Yazi guys, abaningi bethu abaqindezelwa ukuthi izinto azilungi, ne? Because mhlambe khona into abakwenza zona or usindwa izinto zasekhaya. It's just that asitholi abantu abaziyo nobakwazi ukusichazela izinto esinazo kahle hle. Uyabona? Asitholi abantu abanolwazi spiritually ngezinye izinto, ngamanye ama-dimensions, or yeah, ngezinye izinto zesimoya deep. Yabona? Not generic stuff, but deep izinto zomoya. So the lady was very fascinated. Bekejabulile mangimchazela ngempilo yakhe shem, because you always wonder. Kunezimpi ngesinye isikhathi esilwa emakhaya, uthi uzubone kahle ukuthi umzali wakhe akakuthandi, kanti you were spiritually adopted. It's just that lo muntu okwadoptile spiritual unomona ngawe. And I feel like we need to address these things so that abantu babe free in understanding who they are. Because akusizi ukuthi sikhulume ngokumbathwa nokumbatha imimoya esimbethe nesimbathisiwe kanti asazi lutho ngobuthina. Yabona? I once spoke about a reincarnated soul, and then ngakhuluma nge-spiritual twin, the difference between the two. So today ngithethe ngikhulume nge-spiritual adoption. Kunabantu guys, when you are adopted by a spirit or umuntu owadlula, mhlambe bowungakazalwa wena, then you got to uzithola uadopthe umuntu mhlambe wasemndenini ongamazi. Kuvamisile ukuthi izinto zakho azihambi ngalendlela mhlambe wena ucabanga ukuthi zingahamba ngakhona. Because first of all, we don't acknowledge lo muntu. You understand? So as much as umuntu ophila yaba nesikhwele nomuntu ongasekho uyaba nesikhwele. Because remember when umuntu makazoku-adopta noma umuntu ongasekho makaka-adopta, yonke into enhle ngempilo yakhe uyazama ukukupha yona. So asikwazi ukubheka ama-benefits kuphela, kodwa singabheki nezinto nathi ekufanele reciprocating the same energy. So ukubuyisela the same energy that they are giving us. You understand? So uthola ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi uze ugule ube nezinto ezingaqondakali emzimbeni kanti it's not really ukuthi khona into. Remember that medical teachings or terms cannot explain spiritual things. So uthola ukuthi you wonder because akubonakali nix emzimbeni wakho wrong, but you show certain signs ezibonisa ukuthi hayi man something is. Uzama ukuyiveza lo muntu in a way yokuthi u-understand ukuthi ukuphi. So a spiritual adoption is very difficult because awu-adoptwa only abantu basekhaya kuphela. Kunabantu who were loved by asithi ugogo omakhelwane bekekuthandile lo muntu enesiphiwo, right? Ukhula nje yazi ukuthi noma yonke into noma mhlambe uzocela wena uzonaka wena adlule emhlabeni. And then iwish yalo muntu omdala ukuthi lokho enginako kwesimoya ngikudlulisele kulo mntwana ukuze impilo yakhe igcame. Nakwey'mpukane la nomona phela ukhona, but ke yeah, so akuthande in such a way that azakufisela ukuthi lokho enginako kuhle lesiphiwe nginaso ukuthi ngingasinika lo mntwana walapha kuleliya khaya. Abantu baze babuza ukuthi uyakuthanda lo muntu, ukuthanda ngendlela eyisimanga. You understand? Guys, amafa uyawashiyelwa umuntu ongasowa kwenu. Amafa uyawashiyelwa umuntu whom you are not blood related to. So kukhona abantu who are surviving today not because of amadlozi ney'thunywa zasemakubo, but they're surviving because of a spiritual adoption that was done. So nabo-ke labo bantu bayaba ney'khwele ey'thize. So we don't acknowledge, guys, there's a distinctive reason why we sihlale sikhuluma nge-Thanksgiving. I always preach about Thanksgiving, giving thanks, because awukwazi wena ukuthatha, awukwazi wena ukuhlala ukhangezile kodwa ungakwazi to give back. You understand? So remember that what makes a spirit alive, not a dark spirit, you must learn to discern, but what makes our loved ones who have passed on alive, it's memory. Into ebayikeepta active in our lives and in memory. And that is why we say angazi noma abantu still understand ukuthi why kahle kahle sithi kunamadlozi kuney'thunywa nani, because there's a misunderstanding which I'm not going to explain. Angifuni nokuchazela abantu umuntu obona okublue akabona okublue. Sikuleso sikhathi guys that darkness is overpowering and overshadowing everything, so ungazitholi in the midst of confusion. Sisesikhathini where darkness is overpowering and overshadowing and overshadowing everything. Ungazitholi uku-midst of confusion. Ungazitholi uku-midst yokuthi weak, awuzazi ukuthi ukuphi ume kanjani. Because the way I said in a few years ago ngathi we've opened the portal so much from the spiritual or to the spiritual realm that asisazi ukuthi siyicontrole kanjani. So yeah, so when uthandwa akuthandile lo muntu, sometimes uthola ukuthi uthuzalwa, you were given certain responsibilities or because of this adoption angizange ngiqede kwami, so now okudingayo, it's not necessarily ukuthi uze uyothatha isimoya uze uyothwasa uzenzani, but okudingayo ukugqibezela certain things, okudingayo ukuqedelela certain things, guys. So there's a very special bond ngomntwana or spiritually adopted. There's a special bond between the spirit that has adopted that child and that child. So izinto ekufanele sizifunde and sizi-understande and be able to explain to people what exactly is the problem. The core of the problem asingayikhi phezulu man. Umuntu aka-explainile ama-roots ukuthi inkinga iphuma from kuphi iqalephi. You understand? So I like doing that. I like explaining ukuthi into iqalephi. Yeah, so that's the one. Now when we come to kunalento abogogo bethu nabomkhulu bethu bebeyenza of i-name giving, right? Bakunikeza umntwana igama bese bamnika igama lomuntu, mhlambe asithi ugogo for instance or umkhulu akunika igama lakhe, ne? Or uthola ukuthi unikezwe igama lomuntu ongasekho. Guys, awuthwala igama kuphela, uthwala yonke into surrounding that name. Bonke ubunzima, bonke ubuhle nani, it has to be balanced lento le. Igama liyathengwa nje kokuqala because as much as fana nokuthi uphiwe igama lomntwana oke wadlula bese kuba nawe bese uphiwa the same name. Makhosi, liyathengwa igama. Uba nesikhwele lo uqala liyathengwa igama, liyalungiselwa igama kuze kuhambisane imimoya. So awugcini kuphela ngokuthola igama, but kunezinye izinto ekufanele zihlanjululwe kule gama, zenziwe kule gama so that yonke into is aligned together. So abantu bakudala bebanayiso ke leso style sokukunika igama, umuntu not understanding ukuthi ukunika nemithwalo yalo lelo gama. Sorry about that. Ukunika nomthwalo walelo gama, yonke into ehambisana. If bowunikeza igama lomuntu omdala ongasekho, mind you must know that you're carrying him or her. Angisho ukuthi in terms of them being mhlambe akwembethe osa, but the name itself inama responsibilities wakhona. So I often get this message yokuthi gogo manje senze njani ngegama? Igama liyagezwa guys, igama liyathengwa. Igama liyathengwa. Depending on the name of the person, because khona abanye abantu mhlambe banikezwe igama in a way yokuthi wayelotsholiwe, right? And then adlule emhlabeni bese uthola ukuthi khona umntwana wala egcekeni noma ekhaya osekanikezwa lelo gama. Yabona? So sekunendlela ekufanele siyenze manje ukuthi silithenge legama from lo makoti wadlula wala ekhaya. Kubalulekile ukuthi sazi guys ukuthi mawuzonika umntwana igama, understand, or even not ukumnika per se, but sometimes it's very important to actually know where your name comes from. I always say to abantu, igama line story. In most cases igama lomuntu line story ukuthi liqhamuka kuphi, kwakwenzakalani, izimo ezazenzeka ngaleso sikhathi. And yazi ukuthi into emnandi ngokwazi ukuthi izimo zazenzeka mawuzalwa noma mawunikezwa lelo gama kwawini. Into emnandi ngayo ukuthi noma uhlangabezana nezinto ezisimilar, uya understand ukuthi vele imvelaphi yami ihambisana nezinto ezinje. Uya understand. For mina awukwazi ukunika umntwana igama elithi khetha ukuthula, asisho njalo, ukhetha ukuthula bese lo mntwana ahlale njalo azithole esemsindweni. Yabona? So mhlambe esempini o kanjani, awukwazi ukuthi umntwana unomabutho bese lo mntwana loyo angahlala ahlangabezana nezimpi nanani, it doesn't akuhambisani. Same as the same thing that happens when umuntu eyothatha abantu abadala noma umuntu eyothwasa. Igama alizi ngomuntu ophilayo kodwa igama liyalethwa kuwe. There's a reason for that ukuthi ubizwa ngoba kwenze njani, izimo surrounding that name lilethwa ilabantu or whoever lo okumbethe uyo letha igama lakho. Aliqhamukeli igama lento kuba yinto ebekiwe yilabantu abakhethile. So abanye abantu izinto ayisebenzi nje ngoba ubanjwe igama kusilone lakhe, uyabona, and uthola ukuthi unikezwa into or uthola, that is why ngithi understand who you are, understand ukuthi wena kahle kahle uhamba nobani, so that you understand where you're coming from and know the history. Umuntu ufanele azazi ukuthi njoba sengibiziwe ngine calling enje kanje kwenzakalani izimo zokuzalwa kwami. It's very important to understand the foundation yakho. It makes things easy. Uyabona, makunezimo bezinzima ngaleso sikhathi noma kwenzeka izinto because in most cases uthola ukuthi lezimo zi-reoccurring libe zivela. Akusiyo into yokuqala, akusiyo into entsha empilweni yakho noma in your energies or your stars. Yabona, especially I think especially also kubantwana bamakhosi nabantwana beyithunywa. Kunezinto ezenzakalayo guys ezineyinkomba ezinama signs ukuthi ukuphi kahle wena in terms of your journey. I rediscovered a lot of things about igama lami in both my maternal and my paternal space. You understand? Which now made sense to me because as you grow spiritually, as you grow ukhuliswa futhi, because sikhula every day, akunakuthi sowuqedile waphethulile amakhosi now you are done. But kunezinto oyifundayo olibuhamba uyifunda, because even with amakhosi I discovered a lot of things that when mangibukela social media angaze ngizibone zithintwa lezinto, nami I'm not going to share them, but kunezinto ozifundayo ukuthi oh kanti kuhambe kube kanje. For instance, we speak about ama khosi as ancient spirits and stuff, bese kungabi nezinto esizichazayo, yabona. But let me not get into that. Yeah, so you discover a lot esulibukhula, esulibungena ey'ntweni, esulibo experience through healing people and engaging with people and channeling. Then you discover a lot of things about lezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo and things that are not actually mentioned. So asikhuli ngokufana, angigxeki ijeni yomunye umuntu, angigxeki because ayihlangene nami. Umuntu nomuntu uhamba uhambo lwakhe. So yeah, it's very important to take note of igama olinikeza umntwana or igama lakho, knowing the history of your name, knowing the surroundings of your name, knowing the surrounding circumstances of your name. Ukuthi leza kanjani, laqhamuka kanjani, because in most cases sometimes uthola ukuthi mangizoyenza i-consultation bese umnikazi wegama owakuphi igama avele ukuthi yazi legama ngamnika ngizathu eyithize, which is very interesting. So isimoya sinobunzima kodwa isimoya sinobuhle phakathi, because you get grounded to who you are, who you really are. You understand? Sinobunzima, sinama-trials and storms and challenges and growth and everything and responsibilities. But you get grounded from, because now you know your roots. And it is very important to know your roots. You don't try to fit in where you're not supposed to. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I hope it helps, guys, to understand ukuthi, especially when it comes to spiritual adoption, ukuthi it's not only, it cannot only come from your relatives or your family, but it can come from I think I made a video earlier, years ago, and I said it can even be a colleague. It can even be a colleague. Lento lena ayinakuthi kanjani, yabona, because kunalo mbuzo abantu abanawo, uthi kumuntu, yazi ngiphupha bakini athi, why bangezi kimi, why beza kuwe. Bayakwazi mos ukuthi you are in denial, or naive, or you want everything to be in physical dominancy. Yonke into wena ufuna ukuyirizina physically. You understand? So lento you are a skeptic. So ngesinye isikhathi ama-messages anikezwa abanye abantu because bayakwazi ukuthi, yazi ukuthi noma ngabe lo uyongena engozini next week, masingambonisi noma singambonisa ukuthi uye engozini, ngeke aze azithole. You understand? Ufuna ukuyirizina ngendlela ayirizina ngayo, which is a bit unfortunate. But yeah, hope that angeke ngize ngiyifihle kakhulu hope that, but I hope that you've learned. Thank you.